So to start off, I found this sweater that would be really good to cut off and make a little more fashionable. And you can use any sweater that has this kind of layout. So the first thing I do is cut the sleeves off of the sweater. And you want to use a good sharp scissor. I have a cutting scissor for paper and a sewing scissor for cloth. And I'm going to cut the sleeves on both sides of the sweater. Next, I cut off the raw materials surrounding the shoulders because this will just make the shoulders really clumpy. So you want to make sure that the shoulders are cut clean, like that. And that's my excess fabric from what I cut off. And next, I'm gonna do the same thing to my sleeves. I'm gonna get rid of the excess fabric on the top of the sleeve. So when that is done, it looks so much cleaner. Next, I'm gonna hem the top of the sleeve by just pulling over one flap about 1 centimeter and sewing it down. Now that is done, and it looks so much cleaner. Next, I'm gonna hem the shoulders of my sweater, and this is the same process I did for the sleeves. I'm just gonna fold it over about 1 centimeter and sew it down with my sewing machine. After that is done, I go back to my sleeves and I'll actually cut the top of the sleeves so they can be attached to the shoulders of my sweater. So there's the cut, and next I'm gonna secure it to the bottom of my shoulder. And I'm securing the part that was cut. And I do this with binder clips. Then I just start sewing. And next, I'm gonna zigzag stitch the edge so that it doesn't come loose in the washing machine. And after that is done, I'm gonna hem it down. The same way I hem the top of the shoulder, the same way I hem the shoulder, and the same way I hem the top of the sleeves. And then cut off the excess strings. And there we have it. Thank you for watching.